Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the commodities space, so very notable that pretty much all the commodities we're about to look at were up a good amount, with the market ripping higher on Friday as well. So bulls were everywhere, and the dollar weakness is only adding to that. Again, if you are bullish any of these commodities, it only helps if the dollar is weak due to the general inverse correlation between the dollar and commodities. So we dropped to a lower low. We knew this bounce was just looking for a daily lower high. We topped out on FOMC day at $98. And now with this lower low, the bears keep their complete control. And that's our new benchmark. Anything under 98, and the bears keep complete control of this daily downtrend. We've got support at 97.03, 96.67, 95.84 is the big one for me. Why is that? Because that's our monthly uptrend level. If we can hold 95.84, it is still a monthly uptrend at this point. But if that level were to break, it would be a loss of the monthly uptrend for the first time in almost 2 years, which again is notable. So we'll keep an eye on that dollar weakness, and the bull miners are loving that. So again, the fact that gold and silver are holding on so well while the market is ripping to all-time highs is very notable for me, and it increases the odds that the monthly higher lows are established, and it increases the odds of the potential monthly bull flag that we've been watching. And we know that the next time the S&P 500 consolidates, we will just be looking for a weekly higher low, but that consolidation can only add some momentum to the metals. So 1520 is the level that the bulls are going to have to break here on gold. That's been the level I've been watching for almost a month at this point, and if it breaks, odds of the monthly higher low increase a good bit more. So we have the potential still here, if we were to reject from this 1520 level, to have to pull back and form a daily higher low. Bulls would prefer to just rip right through that level first thing this coming week. We will see if they are able to do so. Short term, it's 1518 and support is 1481. You can see this base of support around 1480 that the bulls are defending. Now the question is, can they break that resistance? Looking at silver, again, same thing, though not as close to breaking resistance. If this inside bar breaks bearish, we're looking back down at 1757, our daily higher low of support, and our resistance is up at 1831 for the bulls to try and see continuation. Again, bigger picture for the metals, we are looking at healthy weekly consolidation. There's no red flags around that consolidation, and we're going to be looking for our monthly higher lows to form, and that's going to be our question as we head into the next couple of weeks. And as we head into the end of the year, is this consolidation healthy? I would say absolutely at this point it is, holding the 12-period exponential support on the weekly, which is ascending rapidly, and we're looking for a move back up to the recent high of 1557, and for the precious metals to remain bullish in this current environment. In my opinion, if we were going to see bearish precious metals, we would have dropped to, we would have broken the low of consolidation to this point already, with markets so strong, if we were not going to see a test of this recent high. So bull miners, we had an interesting day where, as far as day trading opportunities, there was a great bear opportunity and a great bull opportunity, both based off of Thursday's levels. So we rejected from the high of Thursday in the bull miners first thing in the morning, which means the bear miners bounced right off their support. Let's look at dust on the daily time frame. So the low of the day from Thursday, 677, held by 2 pennies. We then saw a move of multiple percent to the upside, and then at the end of the day, it was the bull miners' turn to defend its low of Thursday, and then see that bull move into the end of the day. And it's the second time in the last 3 days that we've seen bull miners with significant strength into the close and a run up with bull momentum in favor heading into the next day. So as we head into next week, we are looking at those bulls keeping that momentum going and trying to break their daily resistance of 3182 for NUGT. And again, we're looking for monthly higher lows to be set on these bull miners, similar to what we're looking for on precious metals. So bull miners are absolutely going to have our interest for the rest of the year, and we will see if we get this continuation short term. If not, we look for continued tightening daily ranges next week. So key resistance test on metals and miners coming on Monday. Oil, big bull move. We knew we were looking for a daily higher low. Now resistance is back at 56.89 and our higher low is 53.70. That's now the most important level on the daily time frame. Have we changed the 4-hour trend? Not really. That's not really a clear pivot point for a higher low. So it wouldn't be a huge red flag if we fail to break 56.89 initially, need a higher low on the 4-hour time frame, and then make an attempt at that resistance level. And again, the fact that oil is so strong is likely linked to the market strength, and we will look for those correlations to continue to play out. Natural gas, great dip buying by these bulls. The 4-hour time frame broke support of 248 with zero follow through for the bears. Huge strength into the end of the day. Again, 260 key first thing Sunday night into Monday morning. If we reject from 260, we have a 4-hour equilibrium that we will be watching with our high, low, lower high. That's not a good lower high, but you get the idea. We'll be looking at an equilibrium if we reject, and we'll look for a higher low compared to 245 and a tightening range for the first couple days this coming week. And of course, best case for the bulls, first thing this coming week would be a break of 260 to have our sights set on 2708, which is the significant resistance level and the potential weekly trend change if that level were to break. And if that level is to break, the weekly exponential moving averages will cross bullish for the first time in over a year, which will be notable as well. So again, great dip buying, daily higher low is established now at 245. Bulls are trying for a bull flag, and the volume is what's telling us that 2708 is on the table. Again, when we got the initial bull break here, I was saying we're looking for a weekly lower high. And then after I saw the volume continue to pour on and the magnitude of the size of the breakout, that then shifted the probability back in favor of the potential of just taking out this weekly resistance for that weekly continuation, or I should say the weekly trend change. So lots to be watching in the commodity space. Nice opportunity out there for bulls all over the place. Commodities, markets, and we will be watching these key resistances that the bulls are going to be trying to test first thing this coming week. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for everybody that tuned in to the free live stream that we had going on Friday morning. That's posted to our YouTube channel if you're curious about our daily routine. And other than that, we'll see you this coming week. Have a good rest of your weekend. Good morning. One of the ways that I stay one step ahead of the herd is by out hustling them. So every single day I'm waking up before the sun, not by an alarm, but because my body wakes me up, because it's pumped to be alive. And it's looking forward to going downstairs and making content first thing. And I love starting the day and setting the intention of the day of being productive by knocking things off my checklist before it's even 8 a.m. It's really easy to have a very productive day when you're already productive before the sun even comes up. So when learning charts and technical analysis, for me it was never, I need to do this work so I can make money. It was always, I enjoy doing this and money is going to result from it. And those are two very different mindsets to be in, and you have to ensure that your goals are in line with your enjoyment if you're going to be able to do this long-term successfully. So don't forget to do good things out there. Go get productive on the day. We'll see you soon.
Shh, hear that? It's Sunday morning and that's the sound of the herd sleeping.